Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your account in Cookie Run Kingdom game. So for that you have to tap on the top right corner three line button. Now from the bottom portion tap on the settings button. Now at the last portion you can see info button here, and now just tap on the logout button which is indicated here, and just log out from your account. So right now you can see that I'm logging out from my account. So after it is being loaded, there will be interface which will show your previous account, and there will be an option which will say create new account or log in with your new account. You can see that. Wait for it, and here it is. Tap on the create new account, and from there you can choose any of it like Google, Apple, Facebook or email, and that's easy. You can just input your new login info, and with that particular account you can carry on your game. So if this video helped you, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.